macaroni salad is a quintessential summer side dish. It's kind of the thing you're gonna bring to a barbecue, a party, a picnic, and it's super easy to make, and the one we're making today is super easy, but we're gonna kick it up a bit because this is Smackaroni salad. This is gonna have some flavors in it and a little bit of heat that kind of you want it to smack your palate as you're eating it. So let's get started with our dressing first. I've got about a half a cup of mayo here. Just use your favorite mayo. To this, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of a spicy brown mustard. Next up, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon of a coarsely ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a teaspoon or so of Tabasco sauce. Really, you can use your favorite hot sauce here. Roughly a teaspoon, maybe a little more. And I'm just gonna mix this together. Let's get a little taste. Just enough of a kick. All right, let's go ahead and put our salad together. So here is a pound of elbow macaroni that I cooked up and chilled down. You want this to be cold. You don't want to go straight from the boiling pot to this. So this has been in the refrigerator for several hours chilling down. Now before we get the rest of our ingredients and our dressing on this, we're gonna add something to bring a little bit of that smack. I'm gonna be using some crunchy chili onion from Trader Joe's. This is similar to the chili crunch stuff you see pretty much in every store. It's very popular right now. So I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons here to our pasta. And we're gonna get in here and mix this around because I wanna coat the pasta with this before we add anything else. And we might add a little bit more here. I'm gonna add another heaping tablespoon of this in here and mix it up. That's looking good. Let's get the rest of our ingredients in here. First up, 16 ounces of fire roasted corn. Now this was frozen corn that I've let thaw in the refrigerator because you don't want it super hard when you're putting it in here, but you do want it chilled. This is already pre-cooked. Next up, some bacon. Now I fried up some bacon. I actually did it in the oven, about half a pound of it. And I'm using, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of it here to mix in. We're gonna garnish the top with the rest. We've got a cup of shredded carrots and half of a small red onion that's been roughly chopped. I just want to mix this together before we add our dressing. Give everybody a chance to know each other before they go swimming. And this salad really does well after you put it together with being chilled down for like another hour or two. You don't have to, you could serve it right after doing the step of adding the dressing, but I like to chill it down. And now it's time for dressing. And you could put a lot more dressing if you want, make more if you like your macaroni salad really soupy. I don't. I just like to get enough to give everybody a little coating. That's looking good. Let's dish some up and garnish it. Get into our nice serving bowl here. Some of our bacon pieces on top here. The bacon also should be chilled down. You don't want it hot. This is a cold salad. And some freshly chopped parsley. It's always a good way to finish up some of this salad. And there it is, our Smackaroni salad. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself a little dish so we can have a taste. So I have a little dish here of the Smackaroni salad. Smackaroni salad. Put an S in front and a K in the middle. Let's go ahead and get a taste here. Try and get a little bit of everything in this first bite. Here we go. It has a nice little kick. Personally, I'd go even more kicky in this. I'd put more heat, but I know there are people that will be eating this in my family who don't like that much heat. But man, the flavor on this, outstanding. And this is also one of those salads that you can make your own. Add things you like. If there's something I put in it that you don't like, leave it out. That's what's so fun about making these summer side dishes and salads. You can really customize them and make them your own, but I'm loving this.